What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. Today we are planting some beans. This is going to be the last time that you can plant beans before we get into our first frost. So we're gonna go ahead and plant some beans in my elevated raised bed on wheels. You're sitting in my raised bed right now. So I'm gonna show you how I amend my soil, and then we'll go ahead and start planting beans. So how I'm going to amend this soil is I'm going to put a bag of black cow over top of the soil that's already in here. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some bone meal on top of that. And that's going to be it, because I don't believe that beans love, a lot of fertilizer or a ton of nitrogen, but I know this soil is pretty depleted from nutrients, so I do need to put some compost in here and just some bone meal for root growth. And I'm gonna just do the whole bag. I'm just gonna spread this over the top. So we've got the black cow evenly distributed. Now we're gonna go over top and sprinkle some bone meal. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this lightly over the top. All right, and that looks good to me. So this elevated raised bed is a 2x4, and in this planter you could fit about, I would say about 40 seeds. We're just gonna do rows going across, and we're gonna do about 8 seeds in each row. So I might have like 6 to 7 rows. My little helper, this is my son Adonis. He's always helping me in the garden. So I need you to put 8 beans in each row, okay? So I'm gonna show you. We'll start over here, 6, 7, 8. Gonna be a lot of plant. Count out 8 seeds and put them in the little trench right here. Just follow where my seeds are, but you do need to count. Space them out about 2 inches. Perfect. And I am only putting 1 bean in here because I'm putting so many beans that if one doesn't pop up, that's fine. We're gonna be pretty tightly packed in here anyway.
How are these beans if they don't have
Right, and one more right there. Okay, so we've got our seeds in. We're gonna cover them over and then we're gonna water them in. I think that's good. We're on a slope, so the water does slope this way, but that's okay. All right, we got our seeds in, Adonis. Those should be popping up in 5 to 7 days. I don't think I mentioned what variety this is. I'm growing the contender bush bean. I've always had a good harvest from these. They've always worked for me because when I first started growing beans, it's like, I don't know what is going on, but I cannot grow beans. But once I got the contender bush bean, game changer. It is prolific, it is delicious, good for fresh eating. I really enjoy it. So if you need seeds, make sure to check out my seed shop, and I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and keep blooming, Royals.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Royals, don't forget to come.